Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Latu here, and today I'm gonna show you this easy, elegant, festive look. And this can be achieved very easily, but it looks too glamorous. And in case you're wondering how I got this look, please do watch completely. And not only the makeup, I'm gonna show you the hair as well, as this is a season of Ganesh Chaturthi is coming up. If you in case want to wear this look in the festive, and it's not possible to be with an open hair, as this festive is not at all a chilling process. So I'm gonna show you the hair as well, and it will be a trick with a fishtail braid. And in case you are also having my hair kind of thing, which is medium to thin hair thickness, and if you are want to wear a fishtail braid, it generally for gives your hair a much more thinner look. So to avoid that, I'm gonna give you one trick which gives you this fullest hair look. And without any further ado, let's get started. For my moisturizer, I am using this aloe vera gel, which is from Apollo. You can use anything you want. And for my foundations, I am taking this mixture to get my perfect shade, which is, and the shades will be in the description box. And after adding my foundation, I am setting my concealer areas with this Lakme compact, and the shade will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. And in case you are wondering who am I am Lachu, and this is my channel. Please do subscribe below. And for my eyes, we are using this nudes palette from Maybelline. I am taking this, oh shit, for contours, guys, contour. And for eyes as well, I have used the same palette. And in case you're wondering, this palette was amazingly work for the beginners. This can be completely go to shades in that. You can fill your brows with the darkest browns in that, and you can use that as your contour as well. Can you see that? Yes. And the light shades you can use as a highlighters, and you can do your eye makeup, which are so simple yet too elegant. And this palette is travel friendly too. So please, if you're wondering to get an eyeshadow palette which gives you all this sort of things and which is a beginner friendly, you can go for that. And we'll quickly jump into the eyes. And for eyes, we are using the same palette, the nudes palette from Maybelline. And taking this fluffy brush with this eyeshadow, I am creating the crease, or adding this eyeshadow to your crease part and above your crease spot, which is a transition shade which is used to create your crease or define your crease. And if you're happy with the intensity, you can move to the further step. Here I am taking a pencil brush and a little more darker ashy browns, and adding to my crease line, exactly where to create my crease line. This will deepen your crease line and helps you to make your eyes pop out a little bit. And for blend the harsh edges, I am using this medium fresh fluffy brush to blend out all the harsh edges. And in case if you're wondering how to do these general eye looks, this is a perfect for you. And for your lid, I am taking this white shimmery eyeshadow from the same palette and just adding that all over your lid. Here, don't worry about the harsh lines, you are gonna blend them out further. And first concentrate for your pigmentation and the intensity of the color you want on your lids, and then you can blend the harsh lines away. Add your eyeshadow until unless you are happy with the color, and then you can blend the eyeshadow harsh lines. Here I am adding this all over my lid and little bit dragging to the upper area, and this is why, because when you blend, that will get a seamless look like so. For blending the harsh edges, I am taking the larger pencil brush to blend that out like this. And make sure the other eye also look similar to the same one. And you can observe that after adding this light white eyeshadow onto your eyelid, it's just opening up your eyes a bit more. So And then for the kajal look, I am using this colossal kajal from Maybelline. First of all, you have to add that to your lash line, not to your waterline. Generally, if you start by you adding the waterline, then it will gives you, in case you have the same problem like me, it starts watering, my eye starts watering, so I'll do that at last. And then the elegant part of this look is that you are gonna give this a slight flick, a slight wing, a tiny wing, whatever you wanna call it, with a kajal like this. You don't have to use any brush, and in case you are a beginner you can take the help of a brush. And for my eyeliner part, I am using the same kajal. As this is a festive look, we can't go without a kajal, and I am pretty much well doing with this. And in case you want a deeper, a slow motion video on this, I do have so many videos which I've shown how to add your kajal as your eyeliner. Please go and check that out. And don't forget to fill your waterlines, lower waterline and upper waterline as well, like so, because this gives you complete eye look. Without this you can't go further. And after that, my mascara and eyebrows were done off camera. As you can see, the eyeshadows are giving that shimmer to your lids, and this kajal gives you that the festive look. And for my lips, I am using this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick, and the shade will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. This is a perfect color and easy color to wear for your festives. And if you are also like me, you can add a gloss on top like me, or shimmer lipstick. And for cleaning the edges, I use my lip liners. Don't worry about this, and you can skip this completely. For my shimmery lips or glossy lips, I have added this lipstick, Red My Lips, on top. As you can see, my base was all done. I am quickly adding the studs. These are stunning, guys. This earrings will turn your look like next level, and especially the big studs you will wear for these kind of occasions will give you a complete festive kind of a look. And not only this, I'm gonna show my hair as well. So this is the complete makeup look. I hope you all like this. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel. For your hair, you can take all your hair to one side. It is up to you which side you take. And come on, divide your hair like so. You are dividing your hair into layering, a top section and the bottom section. Okay, and start doing your fishtail like so. Usually the fishtail is taking one section and adding to the other half of your hair, with the section is very tiny bud sections you'll take to give that fishtail look. But here my trick is, if you have like me a medium thickness or thin hair, you have to take a medium sections, if you know what I mean. You should not take a very tiny or thin sections. You have to take a medium thickness of sections, and which this also gives you the fishtail braid look with a full kind of a voluminous braid. If you know what I mean, you will see the result in 2 minutes. So do like me, and the whole next process is completely the same. You have to keep on adding the strands to one half of your hair length to other half like so. And usually if you do with the thinner sections, it gives you the hair, the braid will be showing much more thin, if you know what I mean. And if you do like so, this gives you the volume, and the same volume which have, and will help your braid to look thick as well. And just securing this braid with the hair tie. And they say tip number 2 comes here. Please always use a thicker hair ties for your thin hairs. This gives you a fuller hair look and in the edges as well. And now very slightly pull your hair out. It is completely optional. If you don't also, that gives you a complete thick braid look. As you can see, my hair was super medium length, it's showing up. and this makeup look. If you love this, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for following and subscribing me. Bye bye.